Welcome back to part 2 of our complete guide to Bank of Industry, also known as BOI Loan Requirements. If you haven't watched part 1, I highly recommend checking it out first, and it is available on our YouTube, LinkedIn and other social media pages. In this video, we will cover the post-approval requirements, what you need to submit after your loan has been approved but before the funds are released. Bank of Industry funds high economic impact sectors in Nigeria like manufacturing, agribusiness, oil and gas, engineering and technology, healthcare, renewable energy, education. BOI offers some of the lowest interest rates in Nigeria, ranging from 5% to 15% per annum, compared to 30% plus from commercial banks and even 72% to 120% from other lenders. So, securing a BOI loan is a game changer for businesses. BOI has registered business development services providers, BDSPs, who assist prospective borrowers to fast-track BOI loans. Our firm, Highnet Resources, is a BOI BDSP, and we have helped many companies secure BOI loans and other types of funding including equity and grants. Now, let's get into what you need for loan disbursement. After your BOI loan is approved, there are several critical documents you must submit before the funds can be disbursed. Delays in preparing these documents can slow down loan disbursement, so it's best to start early. Here's what you need. BOI will give you an offer letter as evidence of the loan approval. In turn, the borrower will sign the letter of offer and acceptance. This must be duly signed by a director and the company secretary or 2 directors. There is also a loan contract to be signed and returned to BOI. Board resolution. This document must authorize the borrowing and be signed by the company's board. Updated annual returns. You must provide a filed copy of your company's latest annual returns with the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC. Tax clearance certificates. BOI requires a current tax clearance certificate for the company and 2 of its directors. Company Secretary Appointment Evidence. This document, filed with CAC, confirms that your company secretary is legally recognized. Loan security documents. If you're using landed property as collateral, you must submit the original title documents, such as Certificate of Occupancy, COO, Deed of Assignment, registered. If you are using a bank guarantee, BG, you will submit both the BG offer letter and the instrument, the guarantee itself. If your loan collateral are individual guarantors, you will require the following for each guarantor. Means of identification, i.e. photocopy of international passport or driver's license or national identity card or permanent voter's card. For passport photographs. Notarized statement of net worth form will be issued by BOI. BVN. Curriculum vitae of the guarantors. Submission of bank guarantee. BOI will request upfront appraisal, commitment and legal fees to be paid once the offer letter is issued to the borrower with evidence of payment of these fees before the loan is disbursed. Please note that the fees will be paid before the loan is released or disbursed. A letter of attestation from the borrower's lawyer stating that the terms of the loan offer and documents were understood and duly signed by the borrower. A letter showing specimen signature of the authorized signatory or signatories to the loan. And finally, the last but not the least is the original pro forma invoices for the approved items. Now, let's talk about how to avoid delays and get your loan disbursed faster. Work with an experienced BOI BDSP. BOI has registered business development service providers, BDSPs, who can fast-track loan processing. Our firm, Highnet Resources, is a BOI-accredited BDSP and has helped many businesses secure BOI loans and equity funding, and grants from other fund providers. Start gathering your documents early. Many delays happen because businesses wait too long to gather their post-approval documents. Start as soon as possible. Choose the right bank for your bank guarantee. Not all commercial banks in Nigeria are willing to provide a bank guarantee to BOI. Do your research before selecting one. If using real estate as collateral, perfect your title documents. Ensure all property documents are registered and perfected before submission to avoid processing delays. Navigating BOI loan requirements can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Highnet Resources is a trusted BOI BDSP, and we specialize in helping businesses secure funding. That's it for part 2 of our BOI loan guide. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part in this series. Drop any questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.